right, we are at Makiki Valley Trail. So this is the beginning of the trail. Looks like it's gonna be all uphill starting out and probably downhill coming back. I don't think I'm gonna see any Sasquatch on this trip. That's some thick bamboo. So far, it's a nice trail. Peaceful, not many people out. I'll take it. So there's lots of these old irrigation pipes. I doubt they're still in use. So this is the source of all that water. Whoa, a bridge. Down in the valley. A lot of steep drop-offs on this little section. I like this little section here. It's dead quiet. Can't hear anything but the ringing in my ears. I found a secret trail with a view. Check this out. I think I picked the perfect time of day to do this because it's hot out. Most people are afraid of hot, but not me. So I just came from way over there and looped around way around there. And before that, I took an Uber from way over there. Well, we made it back all the way around the loop. I don't know how many miles that was, but it wasn't too bad. Just remember, nice night for a walk.
Nice night for a walk.